Namaste, dear ncindia.com. Today I tried to fetch some derivatives data for HDFC Bank of 2020 expiry date 29th October 2020. So here is the these options. I'm trying to fetch the stock options for HDFC Bank 2020 29th October 2020. Call equity and strike price is 1800. Right. The date range is 30th September 2022, 1st October 2020. And see, look what result I'm getting from your server. See, it's a 401. It's a 401 error. 401 error is nothing but the unauthorized access, right? But I don't know what kind of authorization you are looking for from the client. All right, it's this data is openly available openly. There is no authentication needed here, and the data is available because yesterday I tried to find the data of some other few other securities, and I was getting the data perfectly fine. But this time I'm getting this 401 error. I know there may be some technical issues at your backend in your server, but then the proper a response should be sent to the user, or proper status code should be sent to the user who can understand that okay, this might be the problem, because this is a misleading kind of status code, because it gives unauthorized access, and I'm not accessing. I'm not an unauthorized person. I'm an authorized person because this data is available. First thing. Second thing, as I have posted in my earlier video also, that you have not migrated this derivative data from an older platform to new platform fully. So if that is not possible to migrate to full data, at least I am requesting you to migrate previous 8 to 10 years data, so that sufficient data will be available to the user to do the past analysis, and build their own strategy for for their own trading strategy. First thing. Now the next thing, which totally I have explained and posted in my previous video also, that the index data, historical index data is not available. Yes, historical volatility data is available. Historical index, Nifty 50 or Nifty IT or Nifty Auto or Nifty Metal or Nifty Media, etc. So historical data of these indexes are not available. Forget about the historical data. Even previous days data is not available on our website. So I request you, please make the historical data of these indexes available on your website. One thing. Second thing, please provide the technical chart. Technical chart is absolutely must for any technical trader or any technical investor, right? It's absolutely must, which you were providing in your older website, but I don't know. And here also, when you launch this website, this new website, at that time you are providing that option for technical chart, but after sometimes you decided to take away that particular functionality, which is, I believe, the heart of your whole website. You decided to take it off, right? I don't know why. It may be your decision, but I believe it's a totally wrong decision. You should provide it, and I request you, please provide it as soon as possible. And as you know, earlier you were using the Adobe Flash Player, which no longer existed, right? Because with the with the enhancement of the HTML hypertext enhancement of the HTML, and after the new version of HTML5 came in, launched and came into the market, so all those functionality is available here, right? And there are lots of open source technical chart, candlestick chart, line pattern chart is available in the market, which you can plug into your website after some a few modifications, and you can use it, and it will be available to the user. You can take the reference from the Money Control or Yahoo Finance, how they are using this technical chart, and you can use it, so that so that user will um, get, or technical trader will get the complete information from a website, right? So these few things which I have also mentioned in my previous video is what I'm looking for. See, your I'm not getting the response. It's a 401. So your this such image. It's a spinning and spinning and spinning, and it will keep on spinning for a long. And also one more issues that I have come across here is, if let's say, if I have not refreshed this particular I have not refreshed this URL, and access this any securities database, let's say 8 to 10 times, and after that maybe 10 or 15 times, and after that if I am again changing, suppose I'm changing the security, or I'm changing the strike price of the same security, I'm trying to face the data, then I'm not getting any response from a website. So this here I'm getting 401, but in that case I'm not getting any response. So it may be the issue with this your Ajax platform. With this platform maybe some request is not going over there, or after certain number of requests, if I am not they may be stacking those requests somewhere, and after some certain request, you are not sending the request to your server or something like that. If that functionality is there, please remove that particular functionality, because it's not a useful thing. All right, or you give the message somewhere, and please state why that thing has been implemented. Because if I'm refreshing this particular refreshing this complete URL, then I have to again select all those things, populate all these fields, right? So that should not be there. I believe so, right? It should be available. It should be user friendly. It's not like user should, after certain request, again same old technology. You should not be taken to the same old technology which before web 2.0 was there. So so these are the few things I have found in your website, and I try to communicate to you. If you feel if my in my communication, if there is any lacking part, or uh, anything you need to get clarification from me, please do post me, do mail me. I will be very much happy to give my thought or idea, or whatever my findings, present my findings to you. But I request you, please provide these functionality. Thank you very much.